Hello everyone, this is Nara Kalyani. I am pursuing BBA first year. Today I am here to confess my business idea to Global Idea Pitch Challenge. We all know that COVID-19 is creating a pandemic situation. We all are facing this COVID-19. Due to COVID-19, a lot of business organizations were drained into losses and few more business organizations were closed. And new entrepreneurs are entering into the market with new ideas, and the new innovators are in the race to create new devices to fight against COVID-19. Let's hope all these devices will help us to fight against COVID-19, and let's hope that soonly the vaccine is going to be found. Before going to my idea, I have to discuss few words about silk producers in India. Due to COVID-19, the silk producers getting losses, and at the same time high transportation charges and the lack of storage facilities and the mediators and the price fluctuation are also become a main troubles to the silk producers in the market. For giving a better solution, I have to establish an online platform named as Cocoon. Cocoon will help us to the online all silk producers in India. Uh, India is the second largest country of silk production, but it doesn't have a good online platform for silk produce. So I raised app Cocoon. It is helpful for in two ways. One is online platform, another one is setting up an enterprise. Online platform involves buying and selling process of raw silk. Here the buyer and seller will participate. This might be the first online platform for silk producers, and it is going to reach every silk producer in India. The prices should be reasonable as per the market and the quality of the silk. Instant apply of booking service. We can order the silk instantly, or we can book the silk before the time. No process of converting raw material into fabric. Setting up an enterprise. Along with Cocoon app, we have to set up an organization. The process of converting raw silk into fabric is involved. Online fabric selling services can be used by Cocoon app. We can set up an enterprise according to our preference. Here I am showing my district map. It is well surrounded by all silk producing areas such as Madanapalle, Punganur, Kuppam, and the industrial estates in Palmaner will help us to establish enterprise with low investment. So now we can easily use the app for searching silk and buying silk from the silk producers, and we have to make agreement with the silk producers for the time period and the quality of the silk. I think it might helpful for the all silk producers. Thank you. Let's serve the society and be a part in the society.